Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to fix variable not defined compiler error in VBA Excel. Pressing Alt plus F11 in Microsoft Excel opens the Visual Basic editor. If you're missing the Compile on Demand option, here's how to address the issue depending on your environment. Most commonly, this comes up in VBA, Visual Basic for applications, especially in Excel, Word, or Access. Now you can see the error. Watch the full video. Go to Tools, Options, General, and check the Edit as Needed option. Click the OK button. Now you can click on the Run Macro button. Wow! Thank you for watching my channel. Please, don't forget to subscribe and share with others.